Hello, welcome to my Sunday From. Today we have a haul and I just want to get these open and see what's in them. So the first thing is um so this is dish liquid, and this is a restock, but I use this dish liquid every single day. And I thought I was gonna get another one, but this one was like it was cheaper and smaller, but the other one I wasn't sure when it would come, so I just got this one really fast. And it's a smaller one, but it was like under $3, and it's just Fragancia Clorox. Um it's in the scent Spring. So I mean, I usually get the rose one, but like I said, I think it was like $5, so I didn't get it. But I got this one. And then let's see what's in this box right here. Oh, and some actual bleach. So there was that. And let's see what's in this box. Okay, so I got in here I have cranberry cherry juice, which is 5 calories per serving, and 1 gram of sugar, which is completely a diet drink, but it's fruit juice. It says it contains 6% juice, so it's kind of like a fruit cocktail. But I mean, it's still pretty good for, I mean, of all the things you could buy as far as drinks, that's pretty good. It's just like punch. And then, of course, I got my bottled water, which is under $5. Um, and I got a butternut squash soup. Last time I got a cashew one, and it was like cashew, ginger, and carrot, just like this one. It looks just like this one, but I don't know. I like that one more for like curry. And then I got some, and this was on sale. I think this was on sale for under $5. It was like three something. And then these are like five something. These are cherry blossom scented Glade small bin trash bags. Okay, that's it for this box. Let's see what's in the other side. So on this side, I got a kit, which was on sale for like, I'd say $5. And it comes with like all the things you need to make this drink. And like I come from Texas, so like boba's like a really big product. Um Vietnamese food is like big like in Texas, so um we drink like we drink boba and eat like, those little sandwiches, banh mi. Like it's just like a thing. There's little stops everywhere for banh mi and boba. And so here is like what you need to make it. It comes with the straws, the instant tapioca balls, milk tea powder, taro powder, and brown sugar syrup. So it's like you can make the flavor of the drink change. Um, and the how do you call it? The ingredients inside of here, it contains everything from the syrup to the boba and the actual drink and the straw. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna open it. Let me see. Oh, maybe I'll open it some other time. And I have here, this is foaming toilet cleaner. So like it's like you don't use a brush and you just put it in there and it foams all the way up. Let's see the directions. It says you put the powder inside of the bowl, and it says you just let it do its thing for 5 minutes and then you flush it. And it says this is not for hard stains or um it's just like for like maybe you can do this during the week. It's not a deep clean. So put that back here. um and then I got these little cotton rounds that I use to remove makeup and um my skincare. And these are like two something, I think. They're like under $3. Let's see what's in this. So in here, I got these Atkins protein cookies. I got 4 of them for under $5 with the coupon. And they have 10 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 8 grams of fiber. And that was important to me to make sure that everything was kind of like low fat and low sodium and all that. And it's pretty decent, like a normal like cookie. For me, it's like a normal, like I think everything should be healthy. So um let's see what these look like. Here it is. It's just a little pouch. And this is what the actual cookie looks like. It's just a regular cookie. It's, I mean, it's a small cookie. It's like a medium-sized cookie. It's pretty decent. It's not like really skimpy at all. And let me give it a taste. Mm. So right off the bat, that peanut butter flavor is delicious. And like, I don't know, like the packaging, like you can smell the packaging right away, but that peanut butter hits like real hard. Mm. What I like is like it tastes fresh. It doesn't taste like um store-bought cookie. And it's really sweet. So you wouldn't even know that you're eating healthy. Like, like diet food. Atkins snacks, I think I bought some in the past. Mm, cookies, candy bar, um, all kinds of different things. And they're protein shakes too. So I mean they're pretty decent. And I think it's very consistent, like the way they flavor things. So I mean everything's healthy, like if you eat it, you know what I mean, in moderation. For me, it's a matter of actual effort. Because you can, you know what I mean? You can do this yourself, you know what I mean? Just, eat a healthier cookie and less portion. But as far as buying actual products that are supportive of your needs, that's the initiative and the little step that you need to take that shows, proves your dedication and commitment. And that's why I think for me, this is important to stock up my refrigerator appropriately for what dietary, supplements and nutrition products I need. And for me, it's always been a thing for me, um, as far as cholesterol, sodium, and fat. And one thing that I really, really this year have been adamant about is the amount of sugar that I consume because it trickles down to my teeth. So, I mean, that's about it. Like, for me, moderation's fine, but sugar, no. Uh-uh. No, no. So here I actually restocked paper towels. And in this box, I'm not sure what it is. So here I have drinks. And these are Lipton, put in Spas, Lipton tea. And these Lipton teas are diet green tea citrus flavor. And these have 5 calories and this is 180 grams, which is like 15%. No, it's only 8% of your sodium and 0 added sugar. It comes with 12 and they're under $7. So I felt like that was a really good deal. Like I said, it's all about stocking your fridge appropriately. And here's unmeat that I got for like 3 something. It was under $5 on sale. Like I said, it was like 3 something for this pack of 12.3 ounces of roast beef style meat, which it is meat replacement or meat alternative, whatever you call it. It's not meat. It's meat made from soy and wheat product, and contains like a little bit of seasoning and tomato paste to make it look like roast beef. So, I mean, I like my haul altogether. I say it's a 10 out of 10. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. My Sunday front. Bye bye.